Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Samsung Buds Pro is probably one of the most sought-after audio accessories for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, offering a premium sound experience with active noise cancellation and a comfortable, secure fit. But are they truly worth the investment, and what makes them stand out in a crowded market of wireless earbuds? Today, we're diving deep into the features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if these are the perfect earbuds for your everyday listening needs and why they might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Number 5. Comply Memory Foam Earbud Tips for Galaxy Buds Pro. Tired of ear pain from silicone tips? Our memory foam tips are designed for all-day comfort. They adapt to your ears for a perfect fit, letting you listen for hours. Experience a better grip that keeps them in place. Move freely without distractions, whether you're exercising or enjoying music. They stay securely in your ears, no matter the activity. Block out unwanted noise for a truly exceptional audio experience. Enjoy your favorite music at lower volumes while protecting your hearing. Your devices will sound better than ever. These memory foam tips are specifically designed for a comfortable and secure fit with your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Please note they are not compatible with other Galaxy Buds models. Keep your ear tips in top condition by cleaning them gently with warm water and a soft cloth. Avoid harsh cleaners like alcohol to ensure the material lasts. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with these memory foam tips, designed to mold perfectly to your ears. They provide a secure fit, ensuring they stay put during any activity. If you suffer from ear fatigue with silicone tips or need superior noise isolation for immersive listening, these are your go-to. What people say. They stay still and don't move at all. From working out to work they never move. Even from playing with kids running around and other activities, they never move not one time. These foam tips have removed the overly bright character from these buds. The foam tips also greatly improve the ANC performance of the leaky shape these buds have. Works wonders with noise isolation and comfort. They even stay in your ears compared to the OEM ones, which for me always manage to slip out after extended wear. Number 4. Delidigi for Galaxy Buds Pro Ear Tips. Introducing our replacement ear tips, specifically designed for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2021. They ensure a snug fit and even stay in the charging case. Experience superior sound with our double flange design. It significantly improves noise cancellation, immersing you in your audio. Crafted from soft, premium silicone, these ear tips provide exceptional comfort for extended wear. You'll barely notice they're there. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. Applying and removing these ear tips takes just seconds, and they integrate seamlessly with your charging case. You'll receive 6 pairs of ear tips in total, with 2 pairs each of small, medium, and large sizes. Please note that the earbuds and charging case are not included. What we like. Achieve better noise cancellation with the unique double-flange silicone design. These offer all-day comfort and a secure fit that works well with the charging case. If you're looking for enhanced sound isolation and a comfortable, snug fit without the bulk of foam, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The ear tips are comfortable and fit well. They provide a good seal, which helps with noise cancellation. The different sizes included ensure a proper fit for most ears. Number 3. JLab Cloud Foam Mnemonic Earbud Tips. Immerse yourself in an optimal listening experience. These tips deliver deep bass and vibrant highs, thanks to our cloud foam technology for comfortable, superior audio. Enjoy a fit that never slips. Our memory cloud foam expands to your ear for a secure, custom feel, eliminating ear fatigue. The ergonomic design ensures long-lasting comfort, making them perfect for extended listening sessions. Choose from 3 sizes to find your perfect fit. They are compatible with any earbud, ensuring a great sound experience for everyone. We're confident you'll love them. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year limited warranty for complete peace of mind. What we like. Enjoy enhanced sound with deep bass and vibrant highs thanks to the cloud foam technology. These tips offer a custom fit that expands to your ear, ensuring they never slip out. If you prioritize superior audio quality and a comfortable, secure fit that combats ear fatigue, these are ideal. What people say. The ear tips provide a secure and comfortable fit, even during intense workouts. They effectively block out ambient noise, allowing for an immersive listening experience. The included multiple sizes ensure a perfect seal for most ear canal shapes. Number 2. Galaxy Buds Pro Replacement Silicone Ear Tips. These replacement silicone tips are designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. They ensure a perfect fit and even allow for charging within the case. You'll receive a total of 6 pairs of ear tips in this set. This provides you with plenty of replacements for your daily needs. Experience your music like never before. The sound-isolating design effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing for a smoother and more natural listening experience. We offer 3 different sizes: small, 11.5 mm, medium, 12 mm, and large, 13 mm. Find the perfect size to ensure a comfortable and secure fit for your ears. Crafted from high-quality, elastic silicone, these ear tips are both durable and soft to the touch. They are reusable and designed for long-lasting comfort. These replacement tips come in a sleek phantom black color, matching the aesthetic of your Galaxy Buds Pro. What we like. These silicone tips provide effective sound isolation for high-intensity listening sessions. Made from durable, elastic silicone, they offer a comfortable feel and fit perfectly within the charging case. If you need reliable, reusable ear tips that reduce ambient noise and maintain a good seal, these are a practical option. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass. They fit snugly in my ears and don't fall out during workouts. The active noise cancellation is very effective at blocking out ambient sound. Number 1. Memory Foam Ear Tips for Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Experience unparalleled comfort with our memory foam ear tips. Say goodbye to the ear pain caused by silicone tips and find your perfect fit for extended wear. Enjoy a secure, anti-slip fit that stays in place, even during intense activities. These ear tips are designed to remain comfortably in your ears, allowing you to move freely. Specifically engineered for your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, these tips offer enhanced durability and sweat resistance. They install easily and fit perfectly, even inside the charging case. Our ear tips are made from slow-rebound memory foam. While they may appear deformed after compression, they naturally regain their shape within a couple of minutes. Achieve a better seal to reduce ambient noise and immerse yourself in your audio. These tips help you focus on what matters most, your sound. This pack includes 3 pairs in assorted sizes, SML, to ensure you find the ideal fit for your ears. What we like. Say goodbye to ear pain with these memory foam tips, offering all-day comfort and an anti-slip design. They create a good seal to reduce outside noise, allowing you to focus on your audio. If you experience discomfort with silicone tips and want a secure, noise-reducing fit that enhances your listening experience, these are a great pick. What people say. The Samsung Buds Pro ear tips are designed for a secure and comfortable fit, staying in place even during active use. These ear tips offer excellent noise isolation, effectively blocking out ambient sounds for an immersive listening experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.